My name's Matt Francis. I'm President and CEO of Ozark Integrated Circuits in Fayetteville, Arkansas. We were originally solving a really hard problem, a very specific problem, trying to operate on the surface of Venus, working with NASA. And through DOE, we became aware of some of the challenges for enhanced geothermal, and that actually in many ways are very similar: temperature, pressure, corrosive environment. And so we really see geothermal as an opportunity for us to apply this technologies to clean energy. And I think for our region, I think a lot of the oil and gas technologies and infrastructure naturally will gravitate towards geothermal as we make the different technologies available to do it economically, because it's a harder challenge than a lot of oil and gas has been. And so we're really hoping to be part of solving that harder challenge. Ozark IC brings the Internet of Things basically to everywhere it isn't. So anywhere that's got very hot, very cold, extreme vibration. And we do this through our specialized single board computers, which we call extreme nodes or X nodes. That lets you put computing in all these places that you currently can't. So obviously this is important for geothermal, this is important for aerospace and space, anywhere that normal electronics can't survive. Most of the hurdles that we face arise from holes in the supply chain because we're operating outside of the normal range of operation for a lot of components. And so that's, and really to get there, that's not just the components, but the materials and the methods. And so one of the ways we've been addressing that and really have been applying in this competition is the prototyping need, rapid prototyping. And so additive technology has been really critical for letting us get over some of these hurdles and actually get things like connectors and substrates manufactured for a lot cheaper and a lot faster. We really didn't have enough through the funds to build what we wanted to build with the prototype. We would have eaten into our ability. So having that voucher on top, it actually let us kind of almost jump ahead to the deployment and start to solve like one of the last sticky problems that we had to solve. It was like, wow, this is really cool. I had no idea that half these things existed, so it was awesome.